That's definitely not the best.
A person liked blowjobs because it wasn't a crime to just say, I will dishonor you. And even if it were, the insult happened at what was essentially the French embassy. Some have argued that that made this a situation outside of the United States.
Alright, so here we go, we're rolling. Let's just hope this guy doesn't creep away here.
I felt it.
Yeah. Success. Voila. Sweet, that one went in really nice.
My Fellini shot here.
Thank goodness for Philadelphia luthier tools and their pre-radius fretware. Oh, that went right in. That was like butter. Oh, sweet. That's the Allen key. Woo! What are we doing here? Oops, getting into this stuff that I'm going to sand off anyway, but still. That was a little too close. Oh, that's better. Ugh, okay. Lesson learned there. Stagger sooner. Holy mother of God. There we go. You're going to be finding fret ends, you know, for the next 100 years.
Oh wait, we already got nipping.
Yeah, but we're getting a little more nipping.
Oh, all right.
You know, it doesn't hurt. That'll do.
Never have too much nip.
Never have too much nip. Hi, doggo.
Outtakes is made possible by American Public Media, producer and distributor of award-winning public radio content. APM, American Public Media. With support from Progressive Insurance.
Thousands of tears later. One eternity later. 2 eternities later.
So it's time for finishing touches, though, you know, I took some liberties here because, you know, this is a Les Paul Special 2 that cost about $130, and I'm doing this work for free, except for the cost of materials, and so, you know, it's a trade-off. I'm giving this guy a guitar that he'll be able to play for the rest of his life if he wants and probably not wear out these frets, so I think, you know, for the free labor and that benefit that, you know, a few cosmetic changes aren't so big a deal.
this was literally the hardest thing I'd ever done. I think, like, graduating from college, getting a master's degree, dealing with the New York Department of Education, like, this was the hardest thing.
What was the hardest part about this? Besides everything.
Besides everything.
Had you already done fret work?
Yeah, I've done,
Okay.
but I've never done fretwork on stainless steel.
Yeah.
So the difference between nickel silver and stainless steel is like butter versus like titanium. It's ridiculous. And so I'm filing away at this. I'm like, nothing's happening. Like, it's not going anywhere. And it's like, it was just so hard. It literally, like, just hard, like durable.
Well, that's
Which is good.
why I wanted it.
Yeah, which is good.
Good
But-
question.
But that makes it so much more finicky.
So did you have to hand do each? Because I noticed
Yeah.
they were sticking it. Holy shit! Look how nicely you beveled them.
Yeah, I mean, I took a big file to them to get them down. I had to take the gloss off the side of the fingerboard, so you notice like this used to be shiny, but now it's matte.
And this was gross here too. That's why I was thinking, well, maybe someday I'll just do that whole neck over. But you fixed something here.
Yeah, like,
This was falling apart there.
Whoops, there goes your bridge.
Oh, sorry.
I don't know, like I'm a masking line between the black part of the neck and then the rosewood part.
Other way.
Yeah.
That's why I don't do guitar work. Well, I really appreciate it. I'm stunned at how it looks. It is gorgeous. I'm
Get some of the
shocked.
sunlight, you know.
I'm shocked at how it looks.
Well, I mean, I'll take that both as a compliment and a dig. Yeah, I'm shocked that it's as good as it is. But
Only because of the way you kept describing the
but
progress.
yeah, that's true. I will always talk shit about my
It's like,
own
oh,
work.
I feel bad about that. And it's like, I can't even see what you were talking about. You came in much worse shape than is coming out. So that's all that matters. God, that's gorgeous.
Well, good.
I'll be anxious to hear how it sounds. This action is fine. Love it.
All right, I want you to really play it. So do some bends, right? So because it's taller, you're gonna sharpen rather your notes more. So don't press as hard. So
That's the story of my life. Don't press it so
like,
hard.
The reason why you got those is because of the Kung Fu Death Grip. What are you looking for? Your tuner?
The tuner, yeah.
It's on the headstock.
Yeah, that's why we got the stainless steel, and they're beautiful. That's the one that ground out my fret.
You should be able to play that to your heart's content. You're gonna have to stretch the strings out.
This is sounding ornery.
But yeah, it's angry.
It sounds ornery.
So if you roll back the volume a little bit on the guitar, it'll clean it up.
Yeah, see, that's a nice tone.
It's a woman. Awesome. So is it because it's unfamiliar, or is it because of the guitar that you're having trouble with the higher register? Like, tell me, like, because I noticed you were playing up there, you're like, bing, 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 bing. Like, is it the guitar?
No, that's me.
Okay.
Doing that. I still don't do that right.
Okay.
I'm still working on that part.
Yeah.
You ought to hear it with the slide. It's really bad.
Oh, no,
It
like,
really sounds bad.
Oh my god.
No, that's me. I have to learn how to do that better. It sounds honorier. It really does sound meaner.
That's great.
No, this action's super.
Okay.
It could even be higher. Is it?
Well, it's well. What we're gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to straighten the neck out a little bit. 'Cause
Okay.
right now it's the truss rod is totally relaxed.
I see what you mean. The D
It's
is.
real close.
It's close.
Yeah. Inferior to that would be getting a shim, and like I could do it right. I could do it for you right now. Okay, do me a favor. Play like something like Muse up the neck. Like play something like that you know that's up the neck, like towards the higher register. want you to. It's the middle. How about like play the solo from Hysteria.
I actually don't. Yeah. Haven't played it for a while.
For not having remembered it or not having played it in a while, that's pretty good.
Haven't
But
played
also,
for months.
how hard was it action-wise?
The action is perfect. The
Okay.
only thing is I kept tripping up the pick. It's playing pretty good. Maybe you're right. Maybe a little shim under there. These are like butter. Now I want to string it up and play it.
All right, here you go.
Oh no, I'll let you do it.
No, you do it.
My grandfather was in World War I and he got mustard gassed.
Jesus.
Still lived to 99, smoked till 86.
Well, good for
Lost
him.
half his lungs.
Well, he probably died a happy man.
He did. He was pretty funny. He quit smoking when he was 86 because he didn't want to shorten his life. It's like, okay, dude.
Yeah.
Good for you, old man.
Brilliant.
You gotta be awfully proud about this.
Dude, I'm prouder now.
You gotta be super proud.
I'm prouder now that you are pleased.
Oh my God, it's gorgeous.
But this whole time I was like, oh, you know, like I was like,
Probably the
pretty
whole
much
process.
everything, or I would be like, motherfucking son of a piece of what the nothing works. Why the is this so hard? Why did I do this to myself?
It's gorgeous.
Yeah.